In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up on Wix. To make sure your visitors don't see half-finished changes while you're working, we'll start by getting into your site's dashboard and safely taking the site offline. This quick prep step keeps your edits private until you're ready to show them, which is especially helpful when you're planning to add or test a new pop-up. First, head to the Wix website and log into your account. If you manage more than one site, choose the site you want to work on. That will open the dashboard for that specific project. The dashboard is your home base for settings, analytics, and all the behind-the-scenes controls you'll use while editing your site. On the left-hand sidebar of the dashboard, click Settings. This opens a central area where you can manage everything from business info to site behaviors. We're going here so you can access the place where Wix controls your site's live status. Now scroll down the settings page and click Website Settings. Think of Website Settings as the control room for core site options. This is where you can handle key publishing preferences so you're not making changes on a live site that customers or clients might stumble across. Inside Website Settings, look for the option to unpublish. Click Unpublish. Wix will prompt you to confirm this action just to make sure you're doing it intentionally. When you see the confirmation window, click Unpublish Site to proceed. As soon as you confirm, your website will immediately go offline. Visitors will no longer see your pages, but nothing is deleted. Your content and design remain intact in your account, ready to be edited in the editor. A few tips while your site is unpublished. Plan this work during a low traffic window if your site typically gets regular visitors, and let your team or stakeholders know the site is temporarily offline. Consider grabbing a quick screenshot of key pages if you want a visual reference while you're editing. And remember, unpublishing is fully reversible. When your pop-up is set up and you've tested everything in preview, you can republish to go live again. That's it for preparing your site environment. You're now safely in the right place to make changes without impacting the live experience. In your next editing session, you'll open the Wix editor, design your pop-up, choose when it appears, and test it thoroughly in preview. Once you're happy with how it looks and behaves, publish your site to make the pop-up available to your visitors.